I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make summary notes of law. First, ensure you grasp the fundamental legal principles of any topic before attempting to condense it. Next, pinpoint the most crucial cases, relevant statutes, and significant academic discussions. Finally, establish a consistent and clear structure for all your notes, perhaps using a template for uniformity across different subjects. This foundational work will save you considerable time later. Once you have your foundational understanding, it's time to structure your notes effectively. Begin by organizing your information clearly, perhaps by topic, then subtopic, and finally by specific legal issues. Utilize headings, bullet points, and numbering to enhance readability and quick comprehension. A good rule of thumb is to allocate 1 to 2 pages for each major legal concept, ensuring enough detail without becoming overwhelming. This systematic approach makes retrieval much easier. Now let's focus on the content itself. The goal is to condense complex legal information into concise, actionable points. Only include the essential facts, the core legal ratios, and any significant dissenting opinions. Avoid unnecessary details that don't contribute to understanding the legal principle. Consistently use abbreviations and symbols to save valuable space and time, making your notes more efficient for quick review. Remember, less is often more when summarizing law. Finally, the process isn't complete without regular review and refinement. Make it a habit to revisit and update your summary notes, especially after new developments or further study. Test your understanding by explaining the concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. Ultimately, your goal is to create notes that are so clear and concise they can be easily digested in just 5 to 10 minutes, providing a quick and effective knowledge refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.